against drug abuse, and today it was reported in some newspaper and media channel that the Excise Department Act of 1964 has been amended, and it is now permitted to have liquor shops within 100 meters of the premises of schools, educational institutes and religious structures. It is absolutely shocking that on today's day, on World Drug Day against international abuse, this BJP government, who always promotes different forms of mafia, today they are promoting liquor mafia. The Chief Minister of Karnataka had about 6 months ago made a statement that there was illegal transportation of alcohol happening in the state of Karnataka from Goa, to which आम्ही गेलते विधानसभेन आम्ही प्रश्न मांडलेलो, मुख्यमंत्रीक प्रश्न मांडलेलो की is he aware of this statement, to which we got the answer that the government is not aware. This shows the nexus, the connection between this liquor mafia and this BJP government. जेन्ना आमचे फ्रीडम फायटरान बोवाड मारलो की आग्वाद जेला भायर एक अल्कोहोलाचो सेल करपाक एक प्रयत्न जाल्लो, एंड इट वॉज रेडिली अवेलेबल. अल्कोहोल इज स्टील रेडिली अवेलेबल. क्रांती दिसाक आमगेले जेन्ना फ्रीडम फायटर थिंगा गेले, दे वर स्टॉप फॉर इवन एंट्रिंग इन टू पे रिस्पेक्ट म्हणून गेल्ले ते. आज हे सगळे भायले भाड्याचे बैल हे हिंगा येन हे नेक्सस प्रमोट करपाक गोंय पाड घालपाक सोदता. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की गोवा इज वन ऑफ द हायेस्ट कंजम्पशन in the form of liquor, 28% in the country. And several of our youth today get into this drinking consumption. And ye menan zori failure during road accident, the records that we have in the last 6 months, cases of accidents with alcohol cases is double to 300%. And instead of taking measures towards this government is going and promoting this alcohol. आज याच मुखेलमंत्रीक म्हाका याद करपाक जाय, हेणे विधानसभेन एक सजेशन केल्लें की कोणाकेडे घरा कडेन मिनी बार हाय जाल्यार थिंगा बंद करून लायब्ररी करूं जाय म्हणून. आज होच मुखेलमंत्री उरपाट कोता. होच मुखेलमंत्री आज हे लायसन्स जे 100 मीटर इस्कॉला आहाय आणि जे रिलीजियस स्ट्रक्चर्स आहाय तेज मध्ये हाडपाक सोदता. सो वॉट आर यू ट्रायंग टू प्रूव? एंड आय फेल टू अंडरस्टँड दिस टायप ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू मॉडल वेर यू आर प्रमोटिंग दिस खास करून नेक्स्ट टू रिलीजियस स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड स्कूल्स. सो वी रिक्वेस्ट दिस गव्हर्मेंट स्टॉप प्रमोटिंग दिस लिकर माफिया. हे जे भायले हिंगा येता, and this government is prone to all different forms of mafia. Now this is a classic example. We request the Honorable Chief Minister that he immediately issues a clarification on this statement and withdraws this. Goans don't want this. Rather, jenna aj tuka you have to enter into austerity measures. Ami sodaj munta ye event bond kor. Why do you require such type of revenue by promoting this type of activities?
Today the PM told that he didn't get a file regarding this which you have mentioned.
See, he didn't get a file or whatever, we will know what has been noticed. It is sent through some media channels. It has come out that an excise department officer has spoken on it. It has come in the morning. Several channels have flashed it. It is already, I believe that even your channel has flashed it, that it has happened. So you all should find out.
आम्ही एका सायडीक पळयता की दिल्ली हांगा ह्या स्टेटीन खंय तरी लिकर माफियाक सपोर्ट करता म्हणून तेंच्या सीएमा भितर घातलो, आनी गोव्यान आमी पळयता की लिकर माफिया थंय म्हणटा की ते सपोर्ट करता म्हणून.
हितू प्रश्न सादो. जेन्ना तूं आग्वाद जेली भायर, दॅट वॉज नोन अ प्लेस वेरी क्लोज टू आर फ्रीडम फायटर, तेजे भायर तूं सोर प्रमोट करता. आनी आज कायदो आटा ऑन वर्ल्ड ड्रग डे. This is out on World Drug Day that you are doing something like this. definitely the nexus can be seen, no? Nexus can be seen की ये दिल्लीचे जे मनीस थिंगा हाय ते हिंगा गोंय येता आसतले हे सोऱ्या दोंद करपाक आनी हेंका हे माफिया प्रमोट करपाक गोंयचे सरकार आहा.
इरे अनेक इशू म्हणटा काल तुमी देनपारा आसागांव गेले काल CM महाराजचो गेलो ही शेड ऑल सपोर्ट टू दॅट आसागांव फॅमिली सो यो से आतां फुडें आनी क्रायम ब्रांचाक आतां हँड ओवर केल्या म्हणून.
See, we had asked for a judicial inquiry under retired High Court judge. That was very simple. Secondly, we had said that ये थिंगा compensation करपाक जाय सरकारान आनी चोरी तोर सरकार compensate करिना then the Congress party would compensate. The Honorable Chief Minister went at the site yesterday and we said that action should be taken on all the guilty police officers. So he went there in the middle of the night. Okay, it is a good thing he's done somehow, but I feel that today ये दादागिरी, ये हुकुमशाही, ये गुंडागिरी, ये बायले दिल्ली वाले, वो बायले स्टेटी होयले, इंग येता लँड शार्क, आसागांव थिंगा जमीन इतली मारोग जाल्या आनी सगळे दिल्लीचे मनीस येवन थिंगा हे जे एक माफिया लँड माफिया थिंगा हे चलता. दिस इज डेफिनेटली with the blessings of politicians and police. Otherwise it cannot happen. And that inquiry we had said ki amka inquiry under retired High Court judge. This is what is required.
Thank you. But he that during the crime
No, we will see. See, we asked for a who is involved in that. As per the accused, who have they said? They have said that the police are involved. So what justice will be given to the victims when the police are involved? Chief Secretary is part of the government, no? You require neutral authority. It is lapse on the part of the government.
बाबा आज काहीतरी जे WD मिनिस्टर आसा त्यांच्यानी डिक्लेअर केले की म्हादई प्रवास जी आसा त्याची जॉईंट सायट विजीट जातली म्हणून ऑन 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th आणि त्यांचे येता मागीर बेंगलोर मिटींग आसतली म्हणून अँड दीस हॅपनिंग बिफोर असेंब्ली हेजेर तुमी कितें म्हणटा?
कितें हमारे आमी जेन्ना सांगलेलें की बेसिकली very simple. Withdraw the DPR issued by this double engine सरकार. कोण दिल्लें? कोण विड्रॉ करूं जाय? सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान करूं जाय. कोणागे सरकार अजून आहा थिंगा? सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा BJP सरकार आहा. आनी कोणान स्टेटमेंट केल्लो? देशाचे रक्षा मंत्री होम मिनिस्टरान स्टेटमेंट केल्लो की there was can he thank the Goa government for coming in for one solution with the government of Karnataka and allowing our Mother to be diverted. Now the Goa government likes litigation, it likes cases, it likes to spend on all these type of things. It go take environmentalists, take activists, anti decisions against the people. They like to go and blow up money in the court. But आज issue जो आहा जेन्ना प्रवा सेटअप जाल्ली तेन्ना व्हडलो as if we have one एक व्हडलो बोवाड जाल्लो. And when Prava was set up, basically there was a house committee also. This house committee is defunct. Eku meeting झाल्या. We had always asked that before this issue, जेन्ना एक special session जाल्लें त्या वेळार आमी सांगलेलें की बाबा एक all party delegation वचपाक जाय म्हूण सांगिल्लें. However, I feel that the government of Karnataka is already diverting the river Madai, and basically this government is not working in the interest of the state. But let us see what I have not seen his statement, and definitely I would comment after looking at it.
Thank you.